Hey there, it's MoonDust. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to teach you any painting tutorial. Rather than I'll show you what I've been painting for the last 1 month. That means all of my artwork of last month and also short recap of some of them. So let's go to the main part of the video without saying anything else.
I'm feeling like I'm famous, the talk of the town. They say I've gone mad, yeah, I've gone mad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon.
Always playing board games. I wish I had Monopoly over your mind. I wish I didn't care all the time. We're just playing hide and seek. It's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. Just a plaything to you. Ring around the rosy. I never know what you need. Ring around the rosy. I wanna give you what you need. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a playdate to you. You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this place.